What's going on, guys? Phil here from PRC Taping again with another quick video for you on the Columbia Tomahawk Smoothing Blades. Now, as you can see, they range in sizes from 7 inches all the way up to 48. Very versatile blades, super solid. You can use them for wiping tapes all the way to maybe bad tie-in renovation stuff, level 5, and popcorn ceiling removal, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna get into every size and what you can use them for in this quick video. So all these blades are compatible with the Tomahawk system or a box handle. I'm gonna start with the 7-inch. Again, you can attach your box handle on here. Use this one for wiping tapes. You can either use it right in your hand, put it right into your mud pan or your hawk, or you can throw it on your box handle or your Tomahawk system on the Columbia one handle, and it works really great for that. 7-inch is great for wiping tapes. 10-inch, you can clean up after you've run the 10-inch box. Same with the 12-inch. And then you're getting to the 14, 18, and 24-inch blades. These ones are gonna be the most common. My favorite size blade is a 24. It's great in the hand, good for doing a bad butt joint, super easy for that. 18-inch blade, again, same thing, butt joints, bad tie-in, stuff like that. And then we're gonna get into the big ones, the 32, the 40, and the 48-inch. Now these ones are gonna be most common for really bad tie-ins and renovations. Level 5 finishing, popcorn ceiling removal, that kind of stuff. Super awesome for that. I use the 40 and the 48 quite often when I'm dealing with really bad renovation tie-ins. And I wanted to mention too that these blades are totally replaceable. So if you nick these or drop them by accident, or maybe you hit something and it scratches it or dents it, you can actually change these blades. They're replaceable, which is amazing. So again, the 32, the 40, and the 48 for really, really big tie-ins. And again, you can attach those to a box handle. The bigger ones are gonna be a little bit heavier on the box handle. So you gotta hold that brake and make sure you're using that properly. So that's the line of Columbia Tools Tomahawk blades. And again, my favorite size is the 18 and the 24. I use these ones quite frequently when dealing with bad butt joints, because we get that quite frequently in construction these days. But again, guys, very versatile blades, and thanks for checking this video out.